Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your profile picture in Glassdoor. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to change your profile picture in your Glassdoor app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you tap open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile option. There you can find the update profile on web, so simply tap on it and you will be redirected to this page where you need to get signed in into your account. So once you are signed in into your account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the pencil like icon from your profile option. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this page where you can simply select a file to update your profile picture. So once you've selected a photo from your album, you can simply hit on the update option. After you do so, you have now been successful in changing your profile picture on your Glassdoor app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.